first murdered on God's earth was Abel, son of Adam. His killer was Cain, yet another son of Adam. Events of this story in the Quran are virtually the same as the Hebrew Bible narrative. Tussle between righteous and evil started with that incident. The start of this millennium saw bloodshed for power never seen before. Mankind saw evil might spilling the blood of millions. Manhood will remember this phase of bloodshed as terrorism. It took 16 years for United Nations to pass a bill for formulation of a comprehensive CVE by all nations to counter this menace challenging entire mankind. In 2017, Pakistan became the first country on the planet which developed an effective CVE policy known as Paigham Pakistan, literally translating to the message from Pakistan. This made Pakistan the first nation to comply with instruction issued by United Nations. The message from Pakistan is loud and clear. A fatwa against terrorism, a joint declaration by heads of all major schools of thought in Islam, signed by 1,829 respectable clerics. The fatwa has endorsement of Al-Azhar University, Egypt, and its ratification by Imam Kaaba makes it a document of a historical value for the civilized world. It is an initiative of Government of Pakistan in collaboration with International Islamic University, Islamabad. This fatwa has a complete support of Christians, Hindus, and Sikhs living in Pakistan, thus making it a beacon for every country to follow and bring peace to our world. This message of peace is even popular among the youth of Pakistan. It took this nation decades of resilience to completely root out terrorism. Pakistan is still fighting the decisive Sarbazab and Radul Fazad battles, and Paigham Pakistan is indeed the last phase before Pakistan wins it all together. With all walks of life gathering together under the flag of Paigham Pakistan, it's time for the world to learn from the